Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edited this Demitra wallpaper. So first thing is how I got the pink background, how you get the pink background and everything. So you head over to Pinterest to search for graphic art design, and then you see a lot of designs that you like. So now our first thing I want to do is see how we got the plain pink background. Just look for any background, copy, paste, and then you upload them on Canva. Head over to Canva and upload it there. And then now the edit starts. And then any design you want, you copy, paste. Make sure you remove the background. You copy, paste, and then do the same over and over. And then head over to Pinterest to get Dimitri's picture. Then get it, we copy the image, go paste it on Canva, remove the background. Yeah, that is important. And then when we're done with that, we still do the same thing. And then this other image, we're gonna apply an outline to that. And then put the color of the outline how you want it to be, and then that is that. And then next thing I'm going to show you how I got the star on her eyes. And then head over to Pinterest, search for star. You see the star you want. And then click on the preferable star you want. You copy and paste. You click on transparency. And then that's how I got that. So now that is done, you save your image. And then you upload it back to change the filter. To prefer the filter that you want, and that's how I did mine. And then that is that. The wallpaper is ready. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.